Okay, so I just wanted to show you the functions really quickly and how amazing this massager is. These are the kneaders, and as you can see, it's about the size of my hand. It's going to knead really well, and it goes in like opposite motions, so it feels like a finger. There's also a zipper right here that you can zip it for washing purposes. It's really easy to wash. You just use a cloth. And here's where you can adjust the kneaders to make it wider or more narrow, depending on your pain point. So it says max right here, min right here, and then this little dot is where it's at. So it's at pretty much the minimum right now, and that's the max. As you can see, it's really wide right now. Now it's on min. As you can see, these are closer, and this is very narrow. This is the adjustable belt loop. As you can see, there's a lot more fabric, so you can adjust it to however your waist is. And it's really easy to strap on. You just go like this. And in order to take it off, you just push this and it comes off. Super easy. Here are the arm straps. They're very wide. They're very secure. You can put them all the way up your arm just to rest them. And here are the different buttons that you have. So the start is going to be the one at the top. You're going to hold it for 2 seconds.
Power on. Kneading mode. Temperature level 2. 113 degrees Fahrenheit.
And it's going to start talking to you. It's always going to reset at 113 degrees Fahrenheit and on kneading mode. And you'll notice that this is the green light. It means it's fully charged. Now, if you want to have a different mode, you just click this. This is kneading mode. As you can see, it's going opposite directions, and in the center, it feels very hot. It literally feels like there are fingers kneading into me. It's so nice. Like, this is my favorite mode. Touch the mode again.
Pinching mode.
And we're going to be on pinching mode. So this is pinching mode. It's not as aggressive, and it starts and stops. It goes in the same direction. And for our last mode, we just click again. It starts and stops. It's the gentlest of the massagers, but it still feels really nice. Sometimes I'll just start with this mode, then go to pinching, and then go to kneading. And then here, this is where you can adjust the temperature.
Temperature level 1. 106 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's now 106 degrees Fahrenheit.
Temperature level 2. 113 degrees Fahrenheit.
And level 2 is 113 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's now turned off. You just press the button for 2 seconds again. It will automatically go off after 15 minutes just so it doesn't overheat. It has overheat protection. Another thing that I really like about this is that it's rechargeable. So here's the charger. You're just gonna put it in, and then you just plug it into any USB. I much prefer the ones that are rechargeable just so you don't feel like you're stuck. I really like this feature, and it doesn't take any time at all to charge.